Hi guys, I am Arun Kumar. Welcome back to the Femlogy Courseworks. In this video, I am going to talk about courseworks on SimSolid. SimSolid, acquired by Altair in 2018. It is structural simulation software. It is a game-changing technology for simulation industry. Since SimSolid doesn't require geometry cleanup and meshing for solving the problem, these are the major drawbacks or roadblocks for traditional FEM method like geometry cleanup and meshing. It takes a lot of time. SimSolid uses unique adaptive solver technology for solving the problem. Only solve the set of equations. It uses multiple pass method, and each pass it will do error analysis and solution adaptation method for local regions for solving the problem. That's why it's giving the results accurate and very fast within a second and minute. That's why we calling SimSolid is game-changing technology. In this video, I'm going to cover overall content, project offerings, and take away from this SimSolid professional course. Let's talk about SimSolid professional course. Duration of this training program is 40 hours. So who can attend this training program? For learning the SimSolid, it doesn't require any prerequisite like prior FEA knowledge, so anybody can learn this SimSolid training, starting with third year and final year students and working professionals like design engineer, CAE modular engineer, and CAE analyst. They can prefer this SimSolid training program. Next, let's talk about overall content for this training program. We'll start with solution content. We will cover different analyses such as linear static, nonlinear static, linear dynamics, model analysis, frequency response, transient analysis, random response, thermal analysis, inertial relief, and bolt pretension. These are some of the analyses comes under solution content. Next, we will cover material content. We will cover different materials such as elastic material, plastic material, elastoplastic material, and rigid material. These are some of the topics comes under material content. Next, we will cover connection content. We will cover different connections such as auto connections, virtual connections, spot weld, C weld, bolt connections, bushings, rivet, and different contacts such as bonded, sliding, and friction, and elastic foundations. These are some of the topics we will cover under connection content. Finally, we will cover results and post-processing techniques such as contours and animations. We will cover different results such as displacement, stresses, strains, frequencies, model shapes, model participation factors, reaction forces, contact forces, and contact stresses and strains, XY plots. These are some of the results will comes under post-processing techniques. These are the overall contents involved in this SimSolid training program. Next, let's talk about project offerings. We are covering overall 10 projects for this training program, 5 projects for sub-assembly, 5 projects for full vehicle assembly. Sub-assemblies such as braking system, suspension system, lighting system, steering system, transmission, engine assembly, driveline assembly. These are some of the projects comes under sub-assembly projects, and full vehicle assembly such as earth movers, JCB full vehicle, bus frame, heavy equipment, boat assembly, railway assembly, and full vehicle chassis, pipeline extras assembly. These are some of the projects comes under full vehicle assembly projects. These are the overall 10 projects involved in this SimSolid training program. Next, what are the takeaway from this training program? You will get one-on-one support. Online review monitoring system is available. You can access all our database. You can access our study material, internship opportunities, final year project support, and finally Altair certification. These are some of the takeaway from this training program. This concludes overview about SimSolid professional course. For more information about other courseworks, you can visit our website www.femlogic.in. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video with other courseworks. Till then, bye.